Hallo, my naam is Lanique.
En my naam is Lianke en ek is in matriek.
Ek is in graad 8.
En ons bly in Amerika in Modesto, California.
Ons gaan na Big Valley Christian School toe.
En ons bly nou in Amerika vir so 6 jaar. Ons het eers in New Mexico gebly vir 5 jaar en ons het net 'n paar maande terug hier na California toe getrek.
Ons albei het daarna New Mexico ook gedans.
Ja, en ek het klavier gespeel en viool gespeel en gedans.
Ek het gitaar gespeel, sokker gedoen en ek het ook viool gespeel.
We attended Front Stage between the years of 2007 and 2010. I danced there and also did drama and acting.
I just danced there.
Yes. And to me, my experience with Front Stage meant that I experienced a lot of different things that I don't think I would have experienced anywhere else. I was able to, through dance, try new dances that I hadn't tried in the last 10 years. I did acrobatics for 10 years and then did hip hop and jazz at Front Stage. And then the acting taught me a little bit more self-confidence and expression, and also just showed me to have fun and not be embarrassed about, acting and just trying new things.
Dancing there, it got me started and it made me notice that I want to do more than acro, and it made me want to do it even more. So when we got to New Mexico, I knew that I wanted to do dancing.
Yes, and we want to thank Front Stage and Miss Franzet for our experience there, and happy 10th anniversary to Front Stage.